Hello, in this video I am going to show you extension functions. Extension functions essentially allow you to add extra functions to a class without modifying the original class. It sounds pretty cool, and honestly it is. So if we create a real simple class, I'll call it epic class, and this is going to have a function. It's going to be, I'm going to call it hello, and it's simply going to print something out. Again, the functionality of it doesn't really matter. And for this, what we are going to say is print line. Just going to say hello world. That's all. Keep it simple. And if we were to create a epic class, or let's call it epic of epic class, and then we could call that method like so. Nothing new here. We've done this a trillion, quadrillion, zillion times before. So let's just see our result, which should just be hello world. But to create an extension class or an extended class, you do it outside the class with the keyword fun, and then you put your class name that you want to add the function to. So epic class. Then you put dot, and then this is the function name. I'm going to say, oh yeah. So that's the function. And you could take parameters if you want to. That is essentially the same. Now I'm just going to do a print line. But again, the functionality inside of it can be however you want. I'm going to say, oh yeah. And if I were to do epic dot oh yeah, as you can see, it's appeared. If I were to run this, we get a result of oh yeah. As you can see, the syntax highlighting is slightly different to indicate that it is an extended function, as it is over here as well with this, the look of it. So we're thinking, okay, why would we put that there, not just put it here? Where is that useful? I'll tell you where it's useful. It's when you haven't created the class and the class is already provided. Maybe you're part of a large development team and you don't have access to that original class, so you can only create objects of it. This is a great way of extending the functionality using an extension function, or it's a built-in class, maybe some sort of data type in Kotlin, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to extend a class using the extension functionality of a class that's built into Kotlin. If you have any questions, because you might have any problems, feel free to pop me a message. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.